If I only had $1,000 to put into crypto today, I wouldn't gamble it on meme coins or chase whatever's trending on TikTok. That's how people lose money. Instead, I'd build a laser-focused portfolio that balances safety, explosive growth, and those rare moonshot bets that can change your life. Here's exactly how I'd do it. I'd drop $400 into Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they're the foundation. You need stability in this wild market. Then, $300 into strong altcoins with real adoption potential, the kind that could 5 times or 10 times when the next bull run hits. Another $200 into hidden gems, the low-cap projects most people are ignoring right now. But that could literally 50 times overnight. And the smartest move? I'd keep $100 in cash ready. So when the market dips and everyone panics, I'm buying while they're selling. That's the exact setup I'd use to turn $1,000 into something life-changing, while most people just chase hype and get wrecked.